Fill with ice to above the fill line. Then fill with water to the fill line. Never operate the unit without water. Connect the therapy pad to the cooler hose. Coupling will click when they lock together. Position the pad on the target therapy area, with the smooth side toward your skin. Note: do not let the therapy pad treat exposed skin. Use as directed by a physician. Use the attachable straps to secure the pad. To turn on the pump, use the switch connected to the power cord. The user must empty water from the unit after every treatment.